Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to sync contacts in Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Viber application on your phone. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on More. This will take you to a menu with various features and settings that control how Viber works on your device. From the menu that appears, look for and tap on Settings. This is where you can access all the customization options for your Viber account. The Settings menu gives you control over everything from your privacy preferences to how the app handles your contacts and notifications. Next, you'll need to tap on General. This section contains the core settings that affect how Viber operates overall. It's where you'll find options related to contacts, notifications, and other fundamental features that shape your Viber experience. Once you're in the General settings, you'll see an option labeled Sync Contacts. This feature is what allows Viber to access your phone's contact list and automatically connect you with people who are already using the app. It makes it much easier to find and message your friends without having to manually search for them or add them one by one. Go ahead and tap on Sync Contacts to turn it on. By enabling this feature, you're allowing Viber to scan through your phone's contacts and match them with existing Viber users. This means anyone in your contact list who uses Viber will automatically appear in your Viber contacts, making it quick and convenient to start conversations. And that's it. You've successfully synced your contacts in Viber, and now you can easily connect with everyone you know who's on the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.